Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send Bitcoin on Binance US. We will go through the entire process, from preparing your withdrawal to confirming the transaction. It's a straightforward process, but paying close attention to details, especially security and address verification, is essential. By the end, you will confidently be able to send your Bitcoin to another wallet. First, log into your Binance US account and locate the wallet section. From there, you will select the withdraw option. Make sure to choose Bitcoin or BTC from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Before proceeding, confirm that your account is fully verified and meets all necessary withdrawal requirements to avoid any delays. Next, you will enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. This step is critical. Always double-check the address for accuracy. Then, select the correct network for your transaction, which is usually the BTC network. Finally, input the precise amount of Bitcoin you wish to send, keeping any minimum or maximum limits in mind. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details, including the address and amount. You will then complete the required security verification, such as entering your two-factor authentication code. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be sent. Remember that blockchain transactions require several confirmations, so the transfer may take some time to complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.